This is a short video on how to withdraw your cash from EMD. So let's go to on the sidebar, scroll up until you get to withdrawals. This is the main balance. This is the commission balance. The main balance is in green. The commission balance is in orange. So I want to withdraw from the commission balance. So go to withdrawals, scroll up to withdrawals on the sidebar. Then click on withdraw now. There are two withdrawal options, bank transfer and Momo payment. I prefer the bank transfer, so I'm not withdrawing from the main balance, I'm withdrawing from the commission balance. I want to withdraw $50. Alright, so the account name, input your account number, bank name, First Bank PLC, confirm. Alright, so it's gone. Withdrawals are usually done on Wednesdays, and then you get your money before the end of the day. All right, so that's all about how to withdraw your money from EMD. Have a nice day.